Then next one I'm writing here, ACALWEMS. Okay. Full form is, okay, don't write. Assistance to the central agencies in the left-wing extremist management services. Assistance to the left-wing association, assistance to the central agencies left-wing extremism management services. What is this? What is this? See, where are these Naxalites are concentrated, or Naxalism is concentrated? Mineral belts, yes or no? In mineral belts, though there are poor, but there are rich people, like KGF movie. Yes or no? सबके घर में पंखा नहीं है, मगर KGF, the hero, will have helicopter in his house. Exactly right? Right? Yes or no? There are rich people, those who are doing mining, industries will have, those industries who are being settled here, they are very rich. That means they have the helicopters, like KGF. Yes or no? So what the central services will do, generally, whenever there is a wound, there is in the combat, if the people get wounded or security forces get wounded, they cannot call ambulance, because from the jungle, if they have to go, it will take 15 hours, 20 hours, 16 hours, etc. They have to be airlifted in order to save their lives. So what the security forces will do, generally, they will have this money in this assistance for central agencies, left-wing extremism management services. BSF, CRPF, or whatever the battalions which are there, they will have certain expenditures. They will immediately call the industrialist, बोलेंगे कि we will give the helicopter services, the prices for the helicopter services, and also send the pilot. Pilot also will be paid, but petrol will be filled by us. So helicopter will be, these industrialists will provide helicopter services to these security forces in order to airlift emergency healthcare services for security forces. That's why it is called assistance to the central agencies left-wing extremism management services. Point clear? Yes? Right.